All right, so I'm here at New York Safety Track again for another track day with Highline Motorsports and Round Lake Auto, but I brought my buddy Mark here. He has a 996 Carrera 4, right? C4 01. And I've convinced him to come out and try tracking for the first time. So today we're going to document his experience as a true novice, first time to the track, beginning of the day, during the day, and at the end of the day. And we want to see what his face looks like now, and then at the end of the day, we're gonna do a before and after. Before and after, full on before and after.
No tears yet.
No tears yet. So there'll be tears of joy. I guarantee it. Let's get into it. So talk to me. First session. What was it like?
A little nerve-wracking. The parade lap was pretty simple. But then we went around for one actual fast lap and trying to figure out the level of how fast you could go around the turns, you know? And some of them, and honestly, I just wasn't familiar with the track yet. I forgot which turns were like actual hard braking turns.
Yeah.
And the third time around, I got used to it.
Okay.
And then after that, I was up against whatever that M3 was.
You're hitting a little traffic.
Yeah.
It's good. That's a good opportunity to like watch their lines and see what they're doing.
And I was also playing around with aiming for the cones. I realized at some point was actually helpful too.
Yeah. So what do you think first session, never driving on track, what is it?
Hooked. It's fun. Anybody can do it.
Yeah.
Anybody can do it. Yeah. I think I have a decent car, probably hit a lot of my bad driving habits, but
well, we're going to work on that during the day.
Yeah,
did you get a lap time yet or no?
2:14.
2:14 was the best one there.
2:14.
Okay. All right, so let's work on knocking that down a little bit. So talk to me a little bit about, it's lunchtime now. You got what, 4 sessions in?
3 sessions in. Times got better each session. Laps got better. I can't recommend it enough. It's so much fun. I'm glad you guys convinced me to come out.
I've been telling you for a couple of years now.
Ever since I got the car. I mean, you know, I just have a bone stock 996 with all season tires on it. And for me, it was plenty car to bring around this track. It's a much different experience than driving on like the back roads.
Yeah.
You know, we just checked the tires; they're all gooey from, from taking the turns.
Now, you know, you were just mentioning to me earlier. What do you're already thinking about adding and changing things? What are you thinking about?
Yeah, this is it. I mean, now I know what the car's like stock. I do drive it at least once a week, so I want to make sure I can still live with it.
Yeah.
It's not going to be just a track car. But there's things I think I can do with wheels and tires, number one, suspension, number two, probably brakes, just to make it a little bit easier on the track. Your car was an experience. Going on Ryan's car was another experience, just seeing how much faster you can go around.
My tires were so cold.
You almost spun?
Yeah, and we corrected it. And Mark said, that was insane!
Okay, I'm doing that one wrong.
Oh, yeah! Woo! Let's go!
So now you know what you want to do to the car?
Yeah, I think we're going to do wheels, tires, coilovers, brakes, and then come back next year.
Okay.
Try it out again and get a sense of it. I still want to live with the car on a daily basis, so it can't be too rough, too crazy.
Yeah, I definitely think there's mods you could do to it that'll make it better on track, but also more streetable.
Yeah.
I mean, hawk pads, they grip better. They're going to squeak a lot on the street, which some people find annoying. I don't care.
That's all right.
But
Bars already loud, so who cares? Yeah.
Maybe not sway bars, but coilovers that can adjust the dampening, maybe.
Right.
So Mark got his car because he saw my 911 in the driveway and was
inspired
like,
me.
you know, it's not keeping up with the Joneses. He just was inspired. You know what it is? So, but now he's got the really nice 911. I love that thing. That thing is beautiful.
Let's go! Mark's dominating!
full day in the 996.
996.
How was it? How do you feel now after a full day of racing?
I feel fantastic. Better than I thought I would. The car performed better than I thought it did. I still want to do some modifications, but the car did great. I absolutely loved it.
I thought you were tearing it up out there.
It exceeded my expectations. Every time I went out, it was faster than the last. The more you learn the track, and going out with Ryan was a lot
cool.
It was made a lot easier. But really good group of people out here today too.
It's fun. Doing
nice
track days with these guys. With Highline and Round Lake. It's always a cool environment. It's like a cool car show, but at the same time, everybody just like it's awesome. It's fun hanging out.
Yeah,
no egos.
It wasn't what I was expecting. I thought it was going to be more people. Everybody kind of
More clicky.
Yeah. Or, I'm a new guy with a straight stock car, and they have no idea what they're doing. I still had the price tag on my helmet when I showed up. So like, but everybody was really
everybody's super helpful, super friendly out here.
Yeah.
Oh.
And the track itself is amazing too.
The track's fun.
It's
There's actually,
of fun.
I feel bad because sometimes in the morning the owner comes out with his airplane.
Oh,
does tricks in it, stalls it out, and everything. It's pretty cool.
That's cool.
Yeah. But hey, I appreciate you coming. And
Thanks for inviting me,
we got another one addicted. That's for sure.
Count me in for 4 sessions next year.
Oh boy, here we go. All right. Thanks a lot, Mark. Appreciate it. So Mark had an absolutely awesome day on track with his first time in his 996 911 Carrera. And it really goes to show anybody can do it, and you'll have an absolute blast doing it. I've taken my Mustang to the track. I've taken a bunch of cars to the track. You really don't need much to go. I have a bunch of videos on what you should expect to bring to a track, or what you want to bring, or what to expect when you're going to a track to learn. But I really wanted to show what someone's first time experience was going to a track day. And I really feel like we did it with this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to hit the like button. Make sure to leave a comment below if you think that there's something that we missed or something I should cover in a different video. And if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more, make sure to hit the subscribe button, because I put out a video just about every week on cars, whether it's the Turbo LS BMW, the Drift Mustang, the Corvette, or a bunch of other stuff. So if you can't wait until next week's video, make sure to check out these videos that I already have ready to go.